How to do restorative yoga to stay stress-free and energized. Gain better results through yoga diet and yoga nidra, yogic sleep. Truth about yoga equipment and what you need to begin. 11 types of yoga you can benefit from. How to take your yoga practice further. And a whole lot more. It's time for you to get fit, in focus, and energized. And you won't even have to worry about tight schedules and peer pressure. You can have your daily exercise comfortably in your home or wherever and whenever you want to. You could even save a fortune since you won't be needing those expensive exercise machines or to pay for gym memberships. And best of all, you get to train both your body and your mind. You can now say goodbye to all your fitness frustrations. This sounds great, but how much does it all cost? Well, with average gym membership these days going around $50 a month, it would be more than fair to be charging $95 for this one-time solution. And with all those new age exercise tech and diet supplement trends that won't really guarantee good results, you would even be happy to pay over $100 for all the useful and effective information you'll get inside. But guess what? You won't have to spend that much. We're lowering the price so more people who want to get in shape can achieve their dreams. So today, you're getting total yoga mastery at a discounted price. To get your copy of this ebook, simply click on the link below. After you make your purchase, you'll be sent the download area where you're a click away to opening the ebook. From there, you can start getting in shape, both body and mind. It's that simple. Now it's your turn. Act now and you'll be one step closer to making your life better and healthier. We've done our part. All you have to do now is take advantage of this offer, and you can start with your journey on making a positive change in your life. Wait until tomorrow and your plans, along with your motivation, for making that change may never happen. Right now is the right time. Get fit. Learn yoga. At this very low price, you're getting a real deal. There's really nothing to lose and everything to gain. Remember, getting fit doesn't have to be tiring and expensive, and you can do that with yoga. Click on the order button on this page, and I'll see you on the download area.